What's up, you Bartledewski citizens of the United States of America? You know, maybe I've got some people from out of country watching this video, but we don't discriminate around here. Regardless, I think I maybe have a 2002 Toyota Corolla with a rod knock, maybe a timing chain issue. I don't know, I'm just an idiot if you want me to be frank with you. I'm gonna let you listen to it. I'm gonna give her some revs. This is a pretty cold start. She's still cold. I just started her up. But I'm gonna let you give her a listen and you tell me what you think the noise is. How much money am I gonna spend on this thing? Now this next clip I'm gonna show you is a clip of what it sounds like whenever she is fresh, cold, buddy. And let me tell you, this car hasn't started in probably a month. I just haven't wanted to fool with it, so this is the first time it had been started in a month. But this is what it sounded like at that initial cold start. All right, guys, let me know what you think. You're a lot smarter than me. All right, have a good one. All right, now to me it kind of sounds like it's timing chain, but I'm gonna give her some revs here. Kind of tell me what you think.